Hi guys, and welcome to PyMath. In today's video, we're going to be solving a problem that appeared on the JEE main in 2016. The problem states that if all the words, with or without meaning, having 5 letters, are formed using the letters of the word small and are arranged in a dictionary, then the position of the word small is, and as you can see, we have our 4 options. So to solve this problem, we're going to need to find all the words before small, find the number of words before small, and then just add on 1 to get the position of the word small. So let's just get the 4 distinct letters from the word small. They are A, L, M, S. And as you can see, I've arranged them in alphabetical order. So to get the position of the word small, we need to find out the amount of words, that's the amount of distinct words that start with A, the amount of distinct words that start with L, the amount of distinct words that start with M, but also the amount of distinct words that start with S A and S L. Why is this? Because any word starting with SA or SL is above the word small in alphabetical order. So, first, let's start with the letter A. You notice how I said distinct words? We'll come back to that shortly, but first let's get to solving how many words can be formed with A as the first letter. So here I've just kind of given a quick sketch of how our word will look. We have our initial letter A and 4 slots for our 4 remaining letters, which are S, M, L, L. So you should know that there are 4 factorial ways we can arrange this, but remember how I said distinct? You have to divide this by 2 factorial because there are 2 L's. Alright, so A, the amount of words in A is 4 factorial over 2 factorial, which is 12. Alright, so let me just erase this. Next, we'll look at L. So again, here's how the word will look, and I'll just write the remaining letters. S, M, A, L. So notice how there's no repeated letters. So this is just 4 factorial because any word you put in here, provided that L is the starting letter, will all be distinct. So L, the amount of words in L is 4 factorial, which is 24. Let's also do this with M. The remaining letters are S, A, L, L. Again, like with A, there are 4 factorial ways, but since there are 2 L's, you need to divide this by 2 factorial. So I'll just write that down. And you may be asking why I should divide it by 2 factorial, and I'll explain it now. So let me just pick a random word using the 5 letters. And these 5 letters are the ones we're using now. And let me just label this L1 and L2. If we just wrote 4 factorial, we would be counting this. Sorry, I forgot to label this L2. We'd be counting this, and we would also be counting S, A, L2, M, L1. It would be counting both just because the L's are in different positions and nothing else. But they're still the same word because L is the same letter, right? So to eliminate this, we divide it by 2 factorial because that eliminates every possibility where just the L is switched and nothing else. So That's why we divided by 2 factorial. Let me just erase all this. Now, let's move on to SA. This may seem a little bit different, but it's just the same strategy we've been using. So first I'll put in the first 2 digits in 3 slots, and then just the 3 remaining letters, which are M, L, L. Just like what we did with M and A, this is 3 factorial, but since there are 2 L's, we divided by 2 factorial, which is just 3. So I'm just going to write it as 3. And finally, SL. And the remaining letters are A, M, and L. So since there are no repeating letters in the three remaining letters, there are no repeating ones, you can just write it as 3 factorial. So I'll just write 3 factorial, which is 6. And if we add this all together, 12 plus 24 plus 12 plus 3 plus 6, we get 57. So there are 57 words before the word small. But we had to find the position of the word small, not the amount of words before it. So to do this, we have to take the number 57 and just add 1, because that'll be small's place. So that would be 58. And thus, D is the answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please like, share, and subscribe, because it really helps the channel out a lot. And thanks for watching.